Welcome, dear students. So, today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson number 4, Files and Folders. Now, to understand these two terms, let's get familiar with these terms with some real life examples. Now, this is a box, and this box is basically behaves like a container because we used to keep various things inside the box. As you can see in this picture also, we are having this box. Into this, we are having a container that contains cookies, shoes, and here we are having clothes. One teddy bear is also kept inside the box. So, in this way, this box is known as the container because it is used to contain or store various things into it. Similarly, let's take another example. For example, your bag. Your bag also behaves like a container because it stores various things what we used to keep inside our bag. We used to keep inside the bag our sketches, our stationery, our notebooks, books, lunch box, water bottle, so many things we used to keep inside the bag. So that is why this bag is also known as the container. Similarly, this almirah also behaves like a container because it is used to contain or store various things like your clothes, your teddy bear, your purses, your towels. There are so many items that has been kept inside the almirah. Therefore, this almirah is also known as the container. So now we understand the concept of container means basically a box or a bag that used to contain or store various things. So if we talk about the container or these things in terms of the computer, then these containers inside the computer are known as the folder, and the things that we are keeping inside these containers, they are known as the files. So in computers, folder basically behaves like a container, and the things that we are keeping inside the container are known as the file. Therefore, we have learned that folder is a container that stores files in it. Now, the question arises here that what is a file inside the computer? Everything inside the computer is known as the files. File is used to store the information. Now if we see at the back, now these notebooks, they are containing various information about the various subjects. So inside the computer also, these files, when we keep various files, now what kind of the files we are having in computer? Any picture file, your photograph, your birthday videos, your music, your poems or your notes, everything basically in computer behaves like a file. Whether it is your photograph, your video, your poem, your notes, everything inside the computer are known as files, and these files are used to store inside the folder. Okay, so here files are used to store songs, pictures, and so on. For example, now see, here you can see that I am having these different files. Now you can see that these different files inside the computer stores various information. Now this picture is basically showing us the picture of a boy, and this is the picture of a girl. So from these two files we come to know that these are the picture files. Okay. So files basically are these songs. It can be a song file, it can be a picture file. Now next is the why we used to keep our files inside the folders. What is the need of the folder? Now, for example, you are having a picnic. Here, Tejas, Jyoti, and Rama they gone to a picnic, and they are having here two boxes with them. One is named as food, and another is named as games. Now you can see that Jyoti is keeping all the fruits inside the food box. And similarly, Rama is storing all the game related things inside the game box. So these are basically the containers. These food and game containers or boxes are known as the folders inside the computer because they are used to store the things. We use container to store the things. Here food box is a box in which we are keeping our fruits like banana, mango, oranges, grapes, and apple. Similarly, Rama is having this chess and she is storing it inside the games box. Therefore, these boxes contain the things that are related to it. If we have to find an apple, then definitely we will go to the food box. And if we want to have a chess, then definitely we will find it out inside the games box. So one of the reason for having these boxes is we can find anything easily. Okay, so here the reason for making the folder is it allows us to keep the related files together. Related files means, as we have seen here in this picture, we are keeping all the fruits inside the food box. This bowl we are not keeping inside the food, we will keep it inside the games because these boxes contains the related things together. And another reason for making the folders is making it easy to locate important files quickly. As I told you that if we want to find an apple, then definitely we will go to the food box. So these are the reasons for making the folders. I hope with this example everything will be clear to you. And if we are talking about these fruits, basically these fruits will behave as a file because everything inside the box is a file. So the box is the container and the items inside the folder are known as the files. Now, you have seen such type of folders. You may get these types of folders inside your books or your litera kit. Why we use these folders? We use these folders to keep loose sheets. Loose sheets means if our teacher has given us any worksheet, then instead of keeping it inside the bag, we used to keep all such types of worksheets inside these folders. So these are the folders that are used to store the things, and the things that we are keeping inside the folder in computer are known as files. In computer, folder basically looks like this. Whenever you see these yellow books, then that is known as a folder. For example, here you can see same type of yellow books. Now these yellow books are known as the folder. Clear? Here you can see these are the yellow books. So these are the folders and these are the different files. When we open this container, then we can see different number of files here. It can be video, it can be audio, it can be a picture, it can be your any file. So whenever we are keeping the things inside the container, then these things are known as the files, and this is known as the container or folder. When we used to open a mobile phone and we want to play some songs, then where do you go? Definitely in music folder. So in phones also we have organized. Organized means keeping the things together. And if we used to keep related things together, it helps us in finding those things quickly and easily. Similarly, if we want to see our pictures or videos, then definitely we will move to the gallery. So the things inside the gallery, all the pictures, videos, these are known as the files, and gallery is known as the folder. So I hope now with these concepts, with these examples, the concept of file and folder will be clear to you. So let's recapitalize all these things together. Here you can see that everything inside the computer is known as the file, means anything, whether it is your picture, your video, your audio, your homework, everything, whatever you are storing inside the computer is known as the file. And when we keep these files inside a container, that container is known as the folder. So files is used to store the information and folder is used to store the files. And the reason for making the folder is it helps us to keep the related files together. And another reason, it helps us to locate the important files quickly and easily. So in our next video, we are going to read the lesson. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.